Unlock a bigger, sharper view of your Nikon D850's FE by turning your MacBook Air into a powerful external monitor. First, let's get your Nikon D850 ready. Locate the clean HDMI port on the side of your camera. This is where we'll connect the video signal. You'll need a standard HDMI cable for this connection, just like the one you'd use for a TV. On your MacBook Air, find a USB-C or Thunderbolt port. Most newer MacBooks will have these. If your MacBook only has older USB ports, you'll need a USB-C to HDMI adapter. Now, connect one end of the HDMI cable to your Nikon D850 and the other end to your MacBook Air. If you're using an adapter, plug the HDMI cable into the adapter first, then connect the adapter to your MacBook. Once connected, power on your Nikon D850. You should see the camera's menu or battery indicator on the camera's built-in screen. Go into your camera's menu system. Navigate to the playback or HDMI output settings. Look for an option that allows you to output the live view feed. You might need to scroll through a few menus to find it. Select the option that enables simultaneous live view output. Now, turn your attention to your MacBook Air. Your camera's live feed should automatically appear on your MacBook's display. If it doesn't, you might need to adjust your MacBook's display settings, or your camera's HDMI output options might have a specific profile to select. With this setup, you now have a massive, detailed view of your Nikon D850's FE. This is perfect for nailing critical focus, composing your shots with precision, and gaining complete control during studio sessions or when recording video. Enjoy a more immersive and controlled shooting experience with your expanded view.